हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि हम विद द हेल्प ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वाइट बोर्ड किस तरीके से टेबल बना सकते हैं। इफ़ आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन सम काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन टू माय सम काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन so table is must. So let me explain you how we can create table with the help of Microsoft whiteboard. So just go at setting menu, click on this. Here you find two options. One is ink to shape and another one is ink to table. So just activate ink to table. It automatically activate ink to shape like this. Okay, again I am repeating my action. As I click on ink to table, it automatically activate ink to shape. Okay, now just go and for draw a rectangle shape, just I need to switch to inking mode. Click on this. Okay, suppose I want to use this rainbow pen, just click on this and draw rectangle. ठीक है, it automatically activate it automatically convert my rough shape into a proper rectangle. Now I want to add more row, so just draw one line. Okay, so it automatically detects. Okay, now this pink color, or this is for column and this one is for row. If I want to add row, just click on plus button. If I want to delete, then just click on minus button. If I want to add more column, just click on this plus button. If I want to delete column, just click on this minus button. You can also draw a line like this. Okay, so with the help of this I can easily draw a table. Okay, so if I want to add text here, just click on this add text. Okay, suppose okay, so suppose I want to explain the differentiate between public company and private company. Just click on this public. Okay, now and again click on this, drag and drop here, just click on this private. Okay, so in this way I am easily in this way I can easily explain my students about differentiate between public company and private company. If I want to add note, just click on this, drag and drop here and type some note here about public and private company. Okay, now let me explain one more tool. So just click on this plus button. Okay, now click on this note grid. So let me first show you what is add node. Just click on this add node. So you can see this is on this is only a single note available, a single notepad available here. But if you I want more, so just click on this plus and this click on node grid. You can see here there are 3 notepad. Okay, and if I want to add if I want to add more, then click on this plus again plus. Okay, so suppose whatever I want to write here I can easily write. Suppose I want to write up names of definitions of different shapes, so just type triangle here. Next one is just type rectangle. Okay, rectangle. And in this way you can easily give the definitions of all such notes.